Good evening, everybody. This is meteorologist Joe Toth here with the New Jersey weather on this Sunday evening at 9:30 p.m., November 22nd, 2015. Let's take a look at the current temperatures across the state of New Jersey. And you can see temperatures are starting to get colder, especially in the northwest part of New Jersey, in the mid to upper 30s. However, as you move further south and east across the state, temperatures are up higher, generally in the lower to mid 50s. That is because of the cloud and even a little bit of rain across this part of New Jersey here tonight. Now that has moved further to the east, and I will show you in just a second. Take a look at the latest radar here, and I will loop this for you. You can see the area of rain that is now pretty much over eastern parts of Long Island. It's expected to move northeastward, affect eastern New England and Maine overnight, when parts of Maine could actually get up to a half foot of snow. That'll be like that first snowstorm up there. But you can see right in the loop right here, you can see where the precipitation is moving. It's generally moving away from New Jersey. I mean, earlier this rain, and even isolated areas of sleet mixing with temperatures began to fall, throughout the afternoon and evening hours. And let's say Saturday night, the responsible for the colder air to move in is because we have pressure over the eastern Great Lakes with the cold fronts. Keep in mind, this was Saturday night. And I will pull this forward here, and you can see the front is moving right through New Jersey about 8 o'clock this morning. And you can see how it has slowed down some, and there's the area that is responsible for the precipitation across coastal areas of New Jersey today. And you can see how it really expanded in pressure, slowly intensifies off the North Carolina coast. And you can see as it continues to slowly move to the north. And right here, this is where the area of low pressure is now located. Some precipitation over eastern New England and Maine, and this should be out of here by morning. And we get the radar imagery. Here's a model simulated radar, and this is a little bit off. It's a little too far to the west here, the echoes. But you see what I mean? What happens as you get into the late night hours? You can see how it's just generally moving away. It's impacting, East New England and parts of Maine where they get some heavy snow. And you can see that pulled away. As we head into your Monday, you can see that there's a little bit of lake effect snow that might be developing, and Tuesday as well. So for those of you in New York or Pennsylvania, you might see a bit of snow. Now don't worry about these little echoes. See anything significant with that? Maybe an isolated flurry tries to sneak in the Poconos, maybe extreme northwestern parts of New Jersey, but it should be no big deal. And you can see here throughout the period, it looks generally quiet across the area, thanks to a high pressure system that will move through into the area over the next few days. However, if you look at the temperatures here, this is a forecast model here, and if we look into your day on Monday, you can see temperatures are struggling, to get out of the 30s across northwest New Jersey. I think generally we'll be in the 40s in this area here. 30s might be across the mountains of northwest New Jersey. And as we head on into the nighttime hours, you can see what happens here. As temperatures begin to plummet into the 20s across inland areas and 30s along the coast, that will be the case for Monday night and even into Tuesday night. But as we head on in towards Wednesday, though, Wednesday is when we expect things to slowly moderate. We get well into the 40s, and then on Thanksgiving, here's Thanksgiving, 60s. See that? You might even see some 60s on Thanksgiving. Isn't that wonderful to hear? Well, that wraps up for this evening's weather here. I'm meteorologist Joe Toth here at New Jersey Weather, and have a good night.